Hello friends, welcome to class 4th EVS. Let us continue chapter number 15 from market to home. Last sessions some drawing work and PDF will be shared by me to you very soon. Please note it. And regularly time to time base also please write down the question answer. And very important is textbook reading, because many students are not aware about the lesson, which lesson I am asking and what I am asking. So this time please don't forget it. Continue to read the lesson along with me. This is Vaishali's story. Vaishali's father is a vegetable seller. Her mother, brother Chotu, and she help father with his work. They start 3 o'clock in the morning to their work when the people are majority in a fast sleeping. They are taking out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bag basket and arrange them on the other hand. Preparation of bringing the fresh vegetables from mandi from market is going on. Chotu is helping to them. As soon as their work is over, they are listening the voice of a one tempo, horn of a tempo, and they other leave the work for the mandi. They go to there. They completing this work, then they go to the mandi. Then from market to home, there is one question asked: does anyone in your house get up early? If your father, either uncle, is getting early, and why they go to work, what work they do, that also please note it down. Preparing for the day, Mother Chotu and Vaishali, they sprinkle some water into the gunny bag by 6:30 when the father is coming back from the vegetable mandi with basket and sack full of fresh vegetable. On that time, Vaishali is saying that our house is looking like a vegetable market. Brinjal, potatoes, tomatoes, bhindi, pumpkin, gourd, chilies, many other vegetables around them. It is getting ready. Everybody helps in sorting out the vegetables. Vegetables are not fully ripe, not ready to sell, kept aside, and then it will be sorted. Then it is reached to the market as possible. By 7 o'clock, father is arranging in the hand cart all vegetables and leave to the market. If he is late, then regular buyers will buy their vegetables from the other person. As soon as father leaves, Vaishali is going to the school by 7:30. Chotu attends the schools in the morning and goes to the school at 10 a.m. with the food for father and his brother. He stays with them at vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to the school. Sometimes he goes directly from the school to help his father. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetable first. Friends, why previous day's vegetable first? Because it is going to sell soon, that is why. Next session we shall talk more about the further lesson of Vaishali and his brother story, Chotu story. Till that, I hope that you will read well and write well. Thank you.